Under no circumstances can it ever be argued that there wasn't deliberate intent. With that weapon, you've got to pull the trigger 4 separate times to fire those shots. It doesn't just go off.
Does the fact that there were 4 shots as opposed to, say, 1 or 2 indicate anything to you?
Yes, it does. It's important because when you fire shots of that nature with that weapon, 1 shot is likely to produce a fatal outcome, unless the recipient of the shot is very, very lucky.
Can you describe the sequence of bullets for us that led to Reeva's death?
The first shot, which struck Reeva, hit her in the thigh. The second shot hit her in the upper arm, just above the elbow, and blasted the big bone. The third shot, or fourth shot, hit her in the right temple. Now, it's absolutely crucial that the state can show not only that that was the sequence, but that there was a delay in the shooting.
Why is that delay important?
Because it then can be argued that Reeva, after the first shot in the hip, would have cried out, thus dispelling any notion that Oscar would have had of it being an intruder.
So how does this weigh up against the defense's ballistic evidence?
Well, the defense really want to have the shots fired in very rapid order so that there would be no chance of her crying out.
One of the defense's arguments is that police bungled the initial crime scene investigation.
A crime scene should be managed very tightly. That was just so absent.
But in your opinion, this will not impact on the case?
I don't think it will have an outcome on the final decision of the judge. And I think it's always going to be an issue for Oscar why he fired the shots at somebody that he could not identify behind a closed door, who was providing no imminent danger to him. That is the real question which the court is going to have to grapple with. Was he justified in firing those shots?